What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Clark Griswold YouTube channel. I am Mr. Clark Griswold. Thank you guys for joining me here today, and if I didn't say it, welcome to the channel. Guys, if you're new to the channel, struggling with trading, struggling with the strat, or you're new to any of this stuff, this channel is going to absolutely change the way that you guys trade in the stock market like nothing you've ever seen. But the very first thing I need you guys to do is go down below, click that subscribe button, and then hit that bell. That bell is the most important part. That gives you the notifications for when I send out videos exactly like this one every single day. Okay, I send out these, I send out top fives, I send out weekly swings, I send out monthly swings. 300 plus videos are on this YouTube channel for you guys to learn how to trade this strategy, how to learn to trade the strat, and how to do it profitably and how to do it consistently over and over and over again. We teach you how to get into trades, how to get out of trades, how to manage your trades while you are in them, the different setups to get into those trades. We go through it all in this channel. Trade reviews on trades that we've taken that have worked, that haven't worked, and how we go through those trades. So it's all on this channel. Everything that you need for the strat is on this channel. If you are on Twitter, I am also there, so you can follow me on Twitter at Mr. Clark Griswold. You can ask me questions there. You can DM me there, whatever you need. I am here to help you guys out. I usually get back to you guys within the same day. So if you have questions on this stuff, again, you can also comment down below with questions that you have or profit that you've made or anything in general. And then if you're doing that, make sure you give me a thumbs up as well. It helps with the algorithms and helps to get this out to as many people as possible. The goal here with the Griswold community is basically to create as many great traders as we can, and we want you guys to profit, and that's why we're here. That's why we're teaching you this stuff. You can also follow me and get into anything that I offer for free or fee-based on my Discord. That Discord link is in the description below. You can click on that. It'll take you into the Discord. There's a ton of channels there. We've got live trading bots. It is a paid portion of that Discord. I also have a Griswold Strat indicator for TradingView, but you can't find it on TradingView. It's private, so you can either find it in the link in the description below, on Twitter, or on the Discord, so go check that out as well. Now, before we run into this list here, guys, a few things I want to go over. TradingView is the platform that I use to chart, and that's what you see on your screen now. If you want to use TradingView, if you've never used it before, or you're looking for a program to help you chart, then TradingView is a great one, and you can give their subscriptions a free 30-day trial with the link in the description below. So go click on that link. It'll give you a free 30-day trial for TradingView with one of their subscription platforms. And if you enjoy it and you want to use it, you'll get up to $30 off of that subscription. But you need to first click that link down below to get you set up with that. And then the last thing I want to go through here, guys, is the ads, or are the ads. I know they suck and I know they're annoying, but those ads pay to keep these videos free for you guys continuously, okay? So I ask you one thing in return for me putting in the work to put out these videos for you guys is just to let those ads run through, and I thank you in advance for that. So when those ads run through, it helps to pay for me to put these videos out for you guys for free. It pays for my time to do this. Keeps your money in your pocket. You guys get to learn for free. You just got to watch a little ad. So thank you guys for doing that in advance. Let those ads roll through. Go get a drink, go get a snack, and then we can rock out through these ads or through the watch list. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get started on this watch list for Tuesday, August 30th. So I still think that there is bearish sentiment in this market. There are a ton of 2 down plays that finish green, and normally that would be a 2-2 reversal to the upside, and I would mark it out. But a lot of those plays have hammer candles, or inverse hammer candles, or shooter candles, so I'm not overly confident in playing those to the upside. And that's not saying they don't go there. Rob Smith calls it 2-2 on a Tuesday for a reason, okay? So he's looking for those reversals to the upside. I just don't think we get them on this Tuesday, okay? So there's not very many plays. I've only got 5 or so, 6 or so. So this is basically the top 5, top 6. So we can get started on these. So as we look at this, guys, this indicator right here, that's our time frame continuity. That's part of the Griswold Strat indicator, okay? So that, the candlestick numbers, this white bar being painted, this outside bar being painted white, the inside bar being painted yellow, the gold highlight over top of them to signal them a little bit better, and the candlestick numbers, if I said it already. And there's a bunch of other things. So the one-time $25 fee, okay? The other thing I want to mention before we get started here, I know I've rambled on for way too long, but I promised you guys if we got to 1,800 subscribers on the channel before the end of August, that I would give somebody a $50 prize. I would give away $50 and I would give a Griswold Strat indicator away. So we are sitting here on August 29th. I've got 1,808, I think is what the number is. So thank you guys very much for that. We hit the goal that I was anticipating and that I wanted to hit. So 1,800. I'm going to figure out a way to get $50 to somebody and a Griswold Strat indicator to somebody. I don't know how I'm going to do it yet. Stay tuned. I will let you know. But let's get started on this list because, like I said, I've rambled on long enough. So 3-1 setup, outside bar, inside bar. You know it because the Griswold Strat indicator gives you the colors here to spot it. The last time we had a 3-1 setup, they're rare and they're powerful. So the last one happened August 17th. Outside bar, inside bar, and we had this beautiful run. Okay, we triggered and we targeted. Hit the trigger, hit the target. The candlestick said buy here and sell here. If you did that, you're a winner. Okay? And then we had this 3-1 turn into a double inside bar. And then again, we can just go back. There's another double inside bar. It's highlighted blue, part of the Griswold Strat indicator. We have to go back. That's what I'm saying, guys. They don't happen very often. There's another double inside bar. There is the 3-1 setup on Chewy. And again, you can see we hit triggers, and that target wasn't great. It wasn't a big run, but we hit targets and a little bit more. So that actually gapped up and finished down. So we would have had to play a gap play. But the probabilities of these things working out are very, very high. Okay? And that's why we play them. That's why we show them. That's why we go through them. So inside bars, because this is an inside bar, we're going to go through it a little bit here and talk about it. So inside bars, guys, when you see these yellow bars painted that way because of the Strat indicator that we've got, I want you guys to think of consolidation and a tightening range. And that's what it is. These inside bars don't break the high. They don't break the low. It's a tightening range. So when we're looking at this, and you think of a spring being tightened and you let it go, it explodes to one direction or the other, and that's all we're looking for here. Okay, so we've got nice time frame continuity. We can take calls at 38.77, or we take the puts to the downside. Okay, at 37.39, and that's the more likely play. That's what we'd like to see because of time frame. And then we just have this first target here is very shallow, but you can go back in time, and we've got a couple more right there. Okay, so that's the way you play those inside bars, guys. The next one on the list, CVX. Okay, CVX had a 2-up that finished green. We can call that an inverse hammer. So this is what I'm saying. There was a ton of these, but a lot of them are sitting way down here. Okay, they're sitting below. But this one's sitting above. The problem with CVX is we have this full time frame continuity to the upside. So I'm not sure where we're going to go with this. Would I take a put here off of this shooter candle? I probably would. Okay, so if we hit this, realistically, guys, if we trigger here, that the day and the week are both turning red. Okay, so I would take a put on CVX if it triggers. Okay, Ford Motor Company, my buddy Fix It Phil on Twitter plays these things all the time. He plays Ford all the time. So this is what a lot of the stuff looks like. So we have 2 downs that finish green. This one's a little closer to the high side. We're closer to going 2 up tomorrow than we are going 2 down. So this is why I've got Ford on the list, and that's really the only reason. So Ford, we can look for calls at 1571. And again, I shouldn't say the only reason. We have really nice time frame continuity to the upside. So calls at 1571 on Ford Motor Company. Okay. Peloton, PTON, has an inside bar. And not quite a shooter, but we're pretty close. So puts at 1035, time frame to the downside on the day and the week anyways, and then calls, again, if we trigger on the call, the day and the week are going green, and we have full time frame to the upside on this. So calls at 1092. Next up, we've got eBay. So again, eBay is another one of those. I'm putting it on here it's just one of the plays I'm putting on here. I don't really have a specific reason. Again, the day, the week, the quarterly, is the month going to flip? No. We can take calls at 44.82. This eBay play I would actually put on the bottom of my list, but we can look for calls on it at $44.82. Time frame, continuity there, broadening formations. We are heading to the downside on the BF, but we are 2 down, finishing green. We'll look for a call on this one, okay? I wouldn't over. It's good, great magnitude. I don't think we hit that tomorrow, but again, we'll see what happens on eBay. The last one I've got on the list, guys, RIVN, Rivian Automotive, 3-1 setup, okay? So if I'm looking at these realistically, I've got Chewy and Rivian are my top 2. I would put Ford and CVX as my next top 2. Peloton and eBay would be at the bottom of the list, okay? So Rivian Auto, 3-1 setup, outside bar, inside bar, time frame to the upside. But again, we trend down. If we trigger to the downside for puts, we are red across the board outside of the quarterly, okay? So puts at 31.53, calls at 33.22. The last 3-1 setup we have to go back to June, okay? And here it is, outside bar, inside bar. We triggered and hit targets here. That was a really, really good play on Rivian Auto. Guys, that's the list. If you have questions, leave them down below in the comment section. Give me a thumbs up. It helps the algorithms. It helps us to get this stuff out to as many people as we can. I want people to be able to trade easily, profit and consistently, and be happy doing it and being confident doing it. And that's why we do this stuff. That's why I do these videos. That's why I do what I do. So again, make sure you're following me on Twitter. Subscribe down below. Click the bell. Get in on that Discord. The link is down below. Get in there. Have a chat with a bunch of the guys in there and the girls. And let's learn and earn together, guys. Let's make some profit. I hope you guys are green on Tuesday. And we will see you all on the next one. Bye-bye.